God, Hosea, and the Israelites. After the civil war amongst the covenant people of Israel, there was a separation and the kingdom of Judah was formed. Israel experienced unsurpassed growth in wealth and conquest after this period. However, as Israel's prosperity increased, the moral standard of its people collapsed and they began to attribute God's accomplishments to Baal and other gods. The Israelites abandoned their covenant with God and no longer obeyed his laws. This unfaithfulness to God was illustrated by the union between Hosea and the prostitute. This union orchestrated by God gives a vivid picture of how the Israelites were prostituting themselves to other gods and remaining unfaithful to the one true God. This was just as the wife of prophet Hosea kept prostituting herself to other men even after being married to him. Jesus, coming into the world, came to offer God's love to everyone, including Israelites who were willing to follow him. Although prior, God exclusively gave his undeserving love to the Israelites, by Jesus coming, he removed that exclusivity from the Israelites and gives it to anyone who believes and has faith in Jesus. This is also illustrated when Jesus set free an adulterous woman from being stoned and told her to go and sin no more.